In this video I want to show you a simple recipe for homemade body butter with coconut oil and other very simple ingredients to find. Hi, this is Gabriela at Refined Look, and for this recipe you need a double boiler or a melting pot, and put 1 cup of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of green tea matcha, or just green tea, and let it melt. Put half a cup of shea butter and half a cup of mango butter, or you can just choose one of them and melt it. Then strain the coconut oil green tea, add the rest of the melted ingredients, and add half a cup of almond oil and put in fridge for 15 minutes. Then all you need to do is whip it for about 10 to 15 minutes. About halfway through, just add your essential oils. I'm adding half a teaspoon of rosemary and 1 teaspoon of lavender essential oil, but of course you can add different essential oils, and then whip it again, and this is going to be ready. The butter and oils melt really nicely on the skin and gets absorbed really easily, and it's super moisturizing. That's it for now, guys. Thank you so much, and please check the channel for other tutorials, and see you soon.